Hey lovely people, welcome back to the channel guys. Today I've got an Ibotta rebate haul for you guys. I did it in 2 trips. I was trying to do my midweek money maker that I got. I have to do 8 rebates in order to earn $3. So let's jump into this haul guys. First rebate I decided to do was on the General Mills Remix. This is a cereal snack. It's actually 10 in a box. They were priced $4.98 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $4.98 in store. Now there is a $2.50 Ibotta rebate, and there was a 10-cent granola, any granola rebate that attached to this. Also, there is some points coming back when you upload your receipt to Fetch. Fetch gave me 1,550 points, which is the equivalent of $1.55, making the final cost only 83 cents. I thought that was a great deal. This is the s'mores, the granola, golden granola s'mores. So that's gonna kind of remind me of the what's those little Fannie Mae snacks? That's what I thought about when I see these. Next rebate I decided to do, guys, was called a watermelon lime. It's Ocean's Halo drink, okay? This was priced $2.98 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, so I paid $2.98 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.98. Now, I'm going to show you guys where I actually got this from. It looks like it was on the aisle with the international foods. I call it the international foods aisle. Okay, now it says it is a kelp-based superfood drink, watermelon lime. All right. Interesting. Next rebate, guys, I decided to do was the Alba Botanica. This is the body wash, and this is the lavender scent. Now, the great thing about this, guys, was this was actually on clearance at my Walmart for only $4.75. It had that $2 coupon that was sticking to the product. So I used that and I paid $2.75 in store. Now, there is also a $2 Ibotta rebate coming back, and there's some points coming back from Shopkick. When you scan in store and upload the receipt, Shopkick gives me back $2.06, which makes this be absolutely free body wash and a $1.31 money maker. So I hope you guys can actually find this on clearance at your Walmart, okay? There is the SKU. Next rebate, guys, I decided to get was the Wick Starter Kit. This is the one that has the little burner and has the little oil attached to it. Now, these were priced $2.97 in my Walmart. I used that $1.50 coupon that was in the 418 Smart Source. I paid $1.47 in store. There is a 75 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 72 cents for the Wick Starter Kit. And this one actually beat. This coupon actually beat. I don't know why, because it's definitely the right coupon, but she went on and pushed it through, so that was great for me. The next rebate, guys, was on the 2-pack of the oils for the Wick product, okay? It was priced $4.88 in my Walmart. There is a $1.50 coupon that was in the 418 Smart Source as well, dropping the cost in store to $3.88. Now there is a $1.25 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost only $2.13 for the 2-pack of the Wick. Next rebate, guys, I did the Dewies Cookies, and this was a flavor I haven't seen. This is soft baked cinnamon bun cookies. I think that's going to be quite interesting. Now, the Dewies were priced $3.38 in my Walmart. There was actually a $1 coupon attached to the product. I did use that, dropping my cost in store to $2.38. There is a $1.50 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 88 cents for the Dewies Cookies. curious to try those and see how they taste. Next rebate, guys, was the Pillsbury soft bake cookies. These were priced $2.98 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, so I paid $2.98 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only $1.98 for the Pillsbury soft bake cookies. This time I decided to get a different flavor. This is the sugar with drizzled icing, and they're made with real butter. So I think these are gonna be tasty. These two products are listed on ShopKit, guys. You're going to buy this body wash, which is $5.94 in my Walmart, and then you're gonna buy this body wash for the Skin Defense for the male, $5.94, guys. You're going to use that buy one get one free coupon where you buy this one, get this one for free. You're going to use it in store. It is going to be, because of the value of the coupon, requires a CSM, customer service manager, to come over and approve the coupon. Do not let the cashier make you think it's something wrong with your coupon, because it's not, okay? They're going to take off $5.94. You're going to pay $5.94 in the store for this product, okay? Now, ShopKit is giving you back some kicks. Now, I don't think I had any scan kicks, but I do believe I had receipt kicks. That was $3.75 when you purchase this one, $3.75 when you purchase this one, and then it's going to give you back bonus kicks of 725 kicks when you purchase these together, which is the equivalent of $14.75 in points or kicks coming back, giving you $5.90 back from ShopKit, which makes this two body wash only 4 cents. That is an amazing deal. It's honestly worth the headache of waiting for them to come and approve your coupon, okay? This is not the first time I've done this deal. Yes, next rebate I decided to do was on the All Oxy Laundry Detergent, priced $2.97 in my Walmart. I used that $1 all coupon, any all coupon. I paid $1.97 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 97 cents for laundry. You can't beat that with a stick. Great deal. Next rebate, guys, was on the Mambo Candy. I have not been able to find this stuff, so I went to a different Walmart today and I finally found it. These are priced $1.08 in my Walmart. For the Ibotta rebate, you must purchase two. I didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.16 in store. There is $1.08 coming back to you because it's a BOGO rebate, making the final cost $1.08 for the 2 packs of the candy. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Betty Crocker pancake mix. This is a huge bag, guys. Price $2.98 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.98 in store. This time it gave me back a 75 cents Ibotta rebate. The first time it was $1. This time only 75 cents, but it's still a good deal because when you scan in store to ShopKit and upload the receipt, it's going to give you back a total of $1.16, which makes the final cost $1.07 for this large bag of pancake mix. Even if you don't use it, I think this is a great donation item to a food pantry, okay? Now, I did run across on the clearance a bag of 30-cent Great Value rice. That did count towards a any rice rebate, which made the final cost only 20 cents for the bag of rice. I'll probably donate that as well because I like minute rice. Next rebate I decided to get again was the Oreo Dynasty, the special edition Oreos. They're priced $3.67 in my Walmart. I didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.67 in store. There is $1 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost $2.67 for the special NBA Dynasty Oreo cookies. Next rebate, guys, I did the Coca Cola again, $1.88 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.88. There is a 25 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.63 for the 20-ounce Coca Cola. Yes. Next rebate was the Fanta. I decided to do the Fanta again, $1.88 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I paid $1.88 in store. Now this one has a 50 cents Ibotta rebate, which is a little better, making the final cost $1.38 for the Fanta soda. Now, I told you guys my strategy. I am stocking up on these sodas and juices for the summertime for cookouts. So every time these rebates reset, I'm going to keep getting them. And one of the lovely people was telling me to try pineapple. So I decided to get pineapple this time. Now for this rebate, you must purchase 5, okay? They're priced 60 cents in my Walmart. For a total of $3 is what I had to pay in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back for purchasing the 5, making the final cost $2 for the 5 or 40 cents each. Not too bad, so I got 5 of these. Last rebate was the V8 Splash again. Priced $1.84 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I paid $1.84. There is a 25 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.59 for the V8 Splash mango juice. All right, lovely people, let's go over the numbers. The total of everything, 2 trips, was $57.32. Now, in coupons, I had $12.94 worth of coupons, and I used some Shopkick and Fetch gift cards to pay for this deal. I had $20 worth of gift cards. I used, on one transaction, I used a $5 Fetch and a $5 Shopkick, and then on the next transaction, I used 2 $5 Shopkick gift cards. Yes, for a total of $20 off, making the paid in store cost $24.38. Now let's talk about the Ibotta rebates. I got $16.28 back from Ibotta in rebates. And for bonuses, I got a total of $4 back. I got a $1 all bonus for purchasing the all, and I had a $3 midweek moneymaker for doing 8 rebates, so I got that as well. Now for the other rebate apps, I got $1.55 back from Fetch and from Shopkick. I love Shopkick. I got back $9.12 from Shopkick. Absolutely amazing, guys. Making all of my product free and a $6.57 moneymaker. You heard that right. Amazing haul, guys. Amazing haul. I'm so excited about my Walmart haul today, guys. Now, guys, don't forget about the Ibotta Money Savings Challenge that we're doing. Crystal has committed to do 30% of her money that she rolls over. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will link that video above so you guys can go and watch it and see exactly what I'm talking about. Yes, but quite a few lovely people have gotten on the Ibotta Savings Challenge train, and they are saving their Ibotta money. Okay. All right, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider giving Coupon and Crystal a thumbs up. And if you are not already a member of the Coupon crew, would you please join? Hit the subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications so you would know when I will come on here and have another Ibotta haul for you, or another store, or just some type of coupon deal, okay? Now that's it. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.